नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका राज्यसभा टीवी में। मैं हूं आपके साथ अमृता चौरसिया। उपराष्ट्रपति एम वेंकैया नायडू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय द्वारा आयोजित सुषमा स्वराज मेमोरियल लेक्चर कार्यक्रम में शामिल हो रहे हैं। आइए आपको सीधे ले चलते हैं।
विद्यार्थीगण और मित्रों, आज जब हम स्वर्गीय सुषमा स्वराज जी की पुण्यतिथि पर उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि देने एकत्र हुए हैं, मुझे अभी भी यह विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि उनका स्वर्गवास हुए 1 वर्ष बीत गए। उनका नाम के आगे स्वर्गीय शब्द लगाना मैं अभी भी स्वीकार नहीं कर पाता हूँ। वे मेरी स्नेह बहन थी। रक्षाबंधन पर मुझे राखी बांधने हमारा घर आती थी। उनके बिना ये रक्षाबंधन मेरे लिए नितांत अकेला और अधूरा रहा है। उनकी यादें आज भी भावुक करती है। अपने पीछे जो अकेलापन छोड़ गई है, उसमें अब उनकी स्मृतियां ही वास करती है। सुषमा जी was like a member of our family. We used to turn to her for advice and help when we were in New Delhi, and we came first time to Delhi. She was a wonderful human being who was always considerate and prompt in her responses for any request or suggestion. Indeed, that's how she was with everybody, be it friends, supporters, and the people at large. Sushmaji's wit, human nature, and promptness in responding to any problem were in full display on the social media when she was the External Affairs Minister. She ended herself serving the nation. She endeared herself to millions of countrymen and became one of the most popular Indian foreign ministers in recent times. I underline, one of the most popular Indian foreign ministers in recent times. ऐसा संयोग है, जिस पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय ने देश को सुषमा स्वराज जी जैसा यशस्वी नेता दिया, मुझे उस विश्वविद्यालय के चांसलर होने का गौरव प्राप्त हुआ है। ऐसे मेधावी विद्यार्थियों से ऐसी शिक्षा संस्थान की कीर्ति बढ़ती है। सुषमा जी की भाषा और भाषणों के तो हम सभी मुरीद रहे। भाषा की शुद्धता, शब्दों का चयन, विचारों में निष्ठा, अकाट्य तर्क और सत्य उनका एक लोकप्रिय वक्ता बनाना में उपयोग होगा। वाह! मुझे बताया गया कि भाषण कला का यह हुनर भी उन्होंने पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय की भाषण प्रतियोगिता में ही सीखा, जिन्हें वो हर वर्ष जीतती रही उस समय। इस विश्वविद्यालय से जो सीखा, उस हुनर का उन्होंने राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पटल पर प्रभावी प्रयोग भी किया। देश के लिए और अपने इस संस्थान के लिए ख्याति अर्जित की। She made a mark as a dynamic leader at a very young age and became cabinet minister in Haryana when she was 25 years. She also had many firsts during her illustrious career. She was the first woman general secretary of her party, the first woman chief minister of Delhi. The fact that she was elected to the Lok Sabha on 7 occasions and to the assembly thrice shows how immensely popular she was with the people. She was passionate, nationalist, and always expressed her views in a forthright manner, with all sweetness. The effective manner in which she described Bharatiyata during debate in the Lok Sabha in 1996 is still fresh in my memory. Indeed, she was a brilliant orator, and everyone used to listen to her with rapt attention. This side or that side, all sides. सुषमा जी की हिंदी सुनने और सभी को समझने लायक होती थी। उनका शब्दों का चयन शुद्ध होता था, फिर भी उनका भाषण इतना सहज और सरल लगता था कि श्रोता मंत्रमुग्ध होकर सुनते थे। संस्कृत के प्रति उनका विशेष आग्रह होता। वे अपनी शपथ संस्कृत में ही लेती थी हरियाणा का निवासी होने का वजह से हरियाणवी हिंदी पर उनका अधिकार होना तो स्वाभाविक था, लेकिन कर्नाटक में चुनाव लड़ते समय कन्नड़ भाषा में उनके धारा प्रवाह भाषण उनको सचमुच बहुभाषा भाषी बनाते थे। भारतीय भाषाओं के प्रति उनका अनुराग हम सबके लिए अनुकरणीय है। कोई भी भाषा कभी भी कमतर हुए न हो सकती, क्योंकि हमारा अपनी संस्कृति और संस्कारों से परिचय कराती। भाषा राजनीतिक विचारों और संसदीय आदर्शों के प्रति उनका निष्ठा के कारण ही भारत की संसद ने उन्हें आउटस्टैंडिंग पार्लियामेंटेरियन का सम्मान प्रदान किया था। सुषमा जी was seen as an epitome of Indian culture. She was a blend of modern thinking and traditional values. She was always respectable towards seniors and elders. When you meet Sushma ji, when you talk to her, you find an ideal Indian woman. एक आदर्श भारतीय नारी माने सुषमा स्वराज. He was one of the most affable Indian politicians and treated everybody with warmth and affection. The fact that she was admired across popular spectrum is a testament to her friendly disposition. Sushma ji was an able administrator, left an indelible imprint on every position held by her. For instance, the film sector's long pending request for granting industry sector was considered during her tenure as Information Broadcasting Minister. आज जब हम उनकी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित कर रहा है, मैं युवा राजनीतिक कार्यकर्ताओं से आग्रह करता हूं कि वे सुषमा जी को अपना आदर्श माने, उनका गुण, उनकी कार्यशैली का अनुकरण करें. Sushma ji, who was an alumnus of the Punjab University, made her alma mater and the country proud with her numerous accomplishments and contribution to nation building. I commend the Punjab University Alumni Association and the Department of Laws for deciding to organize a memorial lecture in her honor every year. It is very much required for the youngsters to know about the life, the contribution of such great leaders. Please remember that memorial lecture or commemoration events are meant to not only pay tributes, but also inspire the younger generation to evaluate the qualities of great men and women. The values and ideas exposed by Sushma ji will continue to inspire everybody at all times. We were discussing about Sushma ji, her tenure as External Affairs Minister. Just now the Punjab University Vice Chancellor was mentioning about her feelings when this Article 370 was abrogated by the Parliament with a comfortable majority after discussion, detailed discussion. Abrogation of Article 370 is totally an internal matter of India. The other countries, they have no business to interfere or make comment on our internal happenings, our internal matters. Every country is expected to take care of their own countrymen, safeguard their own interest, and focus attention on their internal problems rather than unnecessarily interfering or commenting on the internal affairs of any country. I advise one and all, not only the neighbor who made this comment, one and all, please do not interfere in others' internal affairs. Every country is independent, particularly we are a democratic country, we are a parliamentary democracy. We have such a track record that we discuss issues threadbare, understand pros and cons, and then we take decisions in the larger interest of the country. This is an issue which concerns our country's unity and integrity, safety and sovereignty. So I advise others, please do not interfere in the internal affairs of other countries. She, as a foreign minister, external affairs minister, used to articulate the position of India on all issues in a very efficient and also in a sweet manner. He has the ability to convey everything in a sweet manner and also in a sober way, but at the same time firm on the commitments and the stand of our country. That is the speciality of Sushmaji. She was admired for her contribution for the parliamentary affairs, debates, her contribution to the public service in the country, her contribution in every walk of life wherever she was given some responsibility. So that's why I say is an ideal personality worth remembering every year on all occasions. And I once again compliment Punjab University for instituting this memorial lecture. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.